1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. 2. In a shallow dish, mix together the breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, dried oregano, dried basil, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 3. Dip each chicken breast into the beaten eggs, then coat it with the breadcrumb mixture, pressing gently to adhere. 4. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of oil. Cook the chicken breasts for about 3–4 minutes on each side until golden brown. 5. Transfer the browned chicken breasts to a baking dish and top each with 1/4 cup of marinara sauce and a sprinkle of shredded mozzarella cheese. 6. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the cheese is melted and bubbly. 7. Remove from the oven and let it rest for a few minutes before serving. 8. Garnish with fresh basil leaves, if desired. 9. Serve with pasta, garlic bread, or a side salad. Enjoy your delicious chicken parmesan.